Hello friend, today we will discuss one topic from history. The name of the topic is Marxist history or Marxian approach to understand the Indian history. To study history, we have used different approaches. These approaches are as follows: nationalist approach, subaltern approach, Anglicist approach, and Marxian approach. In this video, we will discuss the Marxian approach to study Indian history. So, what is Marxian approach? According to Karl Marx, human history moves from different epochs or phases. These phases are as follows: primitive communism, second is slavery, third is feudalism, fourth is capitalism, and fifth is socialism. Next, Karl Marx had used three terminology. These terminology are forces of production, relation of production, and mode of production. We will try to understand these terms. So first, what is forces of production? Forces of production means those things which helps to make production. For example, land, labor, capital, technology can be called forces of production. The next term is relation of production. Relation of production means the relationship between those who control the forces of production and those who don't have forces of production. The forces of production and relation of production define the nature of mode of production. So, here mode of production can be primitive communism, slavery, feudalism, capitalism, and socialism. According to Karl Marx, if there is a change in forces of production, there will be change in relation of production. If there is a change in force of production and relation of production, then there will be change in mode of production also. I will try to explain this with the following example. Feudalism is a mode of production, as we had already discussed. In feudalism, land is a major force of production. In feudalism, feudal lord owned huge tract of land. He also employed the labor to cultivate his land or lease out the land to the peasant. Here, the feudal lord had specific relationship with the people working on his farm or leased peasant. This relationship of production, that is relationship between feudal lord and labor on his farm, had unequal, exploitative and bonded type of relationship. When society is transforming from feudalism to capitalism, there is change in forces of production. In capitalism, machinery, industry became more important than land. The capitalist employs the industrial worker in his industry to make production. Here the relationship between capitalist and industrial worker are contractual. These relationships are different from the feudal mode of production. Thus, from the above example, it is found that if there is change in forces of production, there will be change in relation of production, and finally, new mode of production is established. When Marxist historians try to understand transformation or change of a history, they focus more on changes in forces of production and relation of production. They don't focus more on the kings, their dynasties, or the wars. Thus, Marxist approach deals with changes in forces of production and relation of production and try to analyze the changes in the history. That approach is called Marxian approach to study history. To conclude, Marxian approach provides different approach to understand our past. Thank you for watching my video.